First and Second Language Acquisition and Learning by Cindy Jimenez, Collaborative Group 5510189. My personal introduction. Hi everybody, I'm Cindy Jimenez. I'm 27 years old. I live in Barranquilla. This is my fifth semester of Master of Arts in teaching English as a foreign language. I'm married and I have one daughter. She is 5 years old. I work at the airport with Avianca. I have been working there for 6 years, and this has been an enriching experience to me. I love this company. There I have learned how to handle stressful situations that happen every day, being empathetic and kind. Reflection about the learning process. About my English learning process, I can say that it has been so hard because I make many grammatical mistakes. However, I don't fear I don't feel fear to do it when I'm speaking with a foreign or someone because this is part of the process. But I have to assume I feel fear when I have to write due to there are some words that I don't know how to write it but I know their meaning or I know their pronunciation. So this is so weird for me. Maybe this happened for the way I learn English. When I listen to the videos I have recorded in the last 4 semesters, I think I need to practice more my pronunciation and vocalization because I speak so fast in Spanish, and sometimes when I speak in English, the people can understand me. So that is a trouble for me when I'm in my work. So I would like to do an immersion in an English speaking country at least for 3 months and really learn. Thank you.